his sapphire blue eyes cat with long hair. They are the breed of domestic cat with Siamese. Balinese are vocal, jolly, amicable and prying, also very brainy of all long-haired breeds. Balinese are very graceful cats with fine bone, long legs, almond, oval-shaped eyes and sharp ears. Their coat is very soft and silky with medium-length hair. Balinese are all born in white and pure cream colors, and with age they gradually develop visible spots on the parts of their body. Worldwide, Balinese cats are accepted in lilac, chocolate, red, cream and seal,